Failure to prepare, it is prepare to fail. Good morning. Nicholas Aganyira is my name. CEO, Uganda Technical College KYEMA TV, the Vice Interim Guild President, the Minister for Education here. Charity begins at home. Today is a National Cleaning Day. We also got involved in the cleaning, whereby we started from our hostels. We came around the college campus. We also went outside the community. We got involved in the cleaning whereby we swept, slashed, and collected the bottles. We put them in one place and burnt them. To the message to our viewers, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. We request you to subscribe more. Share the link, share the video. Message to the entire community. Cleaning is not a crime. It is just our daily work, and which we need to do to promote hygiene so that we can reduce on some infections and the rest. We call upon the students who went to senior 6 and did science combinations, like we have math and physics. You are highly invited. We still have vacancies for you here to come, and those who wish to join the world of engineering, you are most welcome. Admission forms are available at the campus, and those who have finished senior 4 can come and join us at January for certificate courses. Thank the administration for the support in all times. Thank you very much for watching. Once again, Nicholas Aganyira is my name.